All right, so the goal is to write this piecewise function in terms of unit step functions and then use the formula to find the Laplace transform. So let's just take a look here. So we have the function f of t equals, so it's 0 until t equals 4. Then it jumps up to 2 at t equals 4 and stays there until 6. And then it comes back down to 1 and stays there infinitely. So first thing to do to write the equation in terms of unit steps is to think about each piece. So for the first 4 seconds, we have 0. So I'm just going to write 0. And then remember, the strategy is we look at how the function changes as we go. So if we go all the way out to t equals 4, so starting at t equals 4, which means I have a unit step of t minus 4, the 0 goes away and the 2 gets added in. So there's what we have there. And then if we go all the way out to 6, that's when something changes. And that's when the 2 goes away, but the 1 kicks in. So, or you could look at it as a drop of 1 unit. And I think that's actually where we're at. So f of t equals, so I'm just going to simplify this. We have 2 unit step t minus 4 minus 1 unit step t minus 6. So there we have the function in terms of unit steps. Now to take the Laplace transform, remember that the Laplace transform of the unit step of t minus t0 is e to the negative t0s over s. Okay, or we could think of it as 1 over s unit step t minus, I'm sorry, not unit step, 1 over s times e to the negative t0s. And the reason why I look at it that way is because there's really a 1 in front of it, so that 1 corresponds to that 1 over s. So I think that helps us to remember a little better. So that means that the Laplace transform of this unit step expression is 2 becomes 2 over s, and the unit step forces us to deal with a negative e to the negative 4s, minus the transform of 1 is 1 over s, unit step t minus 6 means e to the negative 6s. Now this is a much simpler example because we're dealing with constant functions. In the coming videos, we'll look at what happens when we take the transform of a shifted function and how we deal with it if the shift doesn't match the unit step. So a lot of other stuff coming. Thanks for watching.